Good day, this is Wendy from Washington State University. Here I will demonstrate our new tool, PyRTFuzz, a collaborative fuzzing on Python runtimes. So in the following few minutes, firstly, I will give a brief introduction of PyRTFuzz. Following that, I will show how to set up the environments for PyRTFuzz. And finally, I will demonstrate how to use PyRTFuzz step by step. Overall, there are three primary components in PyRTFuzz. So with the Python source as input, it firstly performs runtime API description extraction. Then with this information as input, at level 1, PyRTFuzz performs duration-based fuzzing on top of script language-based approach to generate diverse Python applications. Then at level 2, PyRTFuzz performs mutation-based fuzzing based on asterisk and leaf fuzzer. Here, PyRTFuzz use singleton coverage map and initialize individual fuzzing instances for each application to achieve overall fuzzing for Python interpreter and runtime libraries. Then to set up PyRTFuzz, we have built a Docker image, so we only need to pull the image and start the container. Then we need to update the source code to the latest version. Then we can use the script build to install the PyRTFuzz with the latest version. To use PyRTFuzz, there are two choices. The first one is to run the PyRTFuzz manually in the container. Here we use Python 3.9 as input. Firstly, we need to set up the Python version to the specific version. Then to run the fuzzer, we can use the Python module fuzz loop and specify the parameter PyScript to a specific directory to store the generated Python applications and fuzzing results. Then to collect fuzzing results, we can use Python module PyCollect. Now I will show how to run these commands. Firstly, we need to attach the container PyRTFuzz. Then let's switch to the experiment directory. Now let's set up the Python version. Then we can start the PyRTFuzz with the Python module fuzz loop. It may take multiple seconds and to instrument the runtime libraries. Then if we can see these messages, it shows that the PyRTFuzz has been started successfully. Another way to use PyRTFuzz is to start the container and run PyRTFuzz automatically. So firstly, we need to clone PyRTFuzz source code to the host machine and entry to the tool directory. Here we still use Python 3.9 as an example. So with the script PyRTFuzz, we only need to specify the parameter run and the version of the Docker image and the Python version. Then we can start the containers and the PyRTFuzz automatically. Then to collect the fuzzing results, we can apply the parameter collect to PyRTFuzz. If we want to delete the containers, we can apply the del parameter to PyRTFuzz. Now let's show how to run these commands. So firstly, we can show the Docker image here. Then we can use the PyRTFuzz to start the containers and the PyRTFuzz. So by default, containers will be started automatically and banded them to the CPU 0 to 9. Then we can show the containers we have created. We can also check the processes of the PyRTFuzz. And this information demonstrates that PyRTFuzz has been started successfully. So that's all. For more details, please refer to our repository and research paper. Thank you.